This week, we travelled down the beautiful Oregon coast, finding a hidden beach and a walk along the sand in a beautiful seaside town that reminded us of one in the UK. As we continue further south, we come upon Thor's Well and Perpetual Bay, which were founded by Captain Cook way back. Even see an ocean geyser spouting. The ocean was powerful. Unfortunately, our time on the coast was up and we had to head east to get some domestic chores done, visiting one of our favourite supermarkets. Continuing along the Umpqua River, we stop at the Toketee Falls and witness one of the most leakiest water pipes in the world, surely.
Need some water.
But if you're new here, hi, I'm Eileen, this is Martin, that's Walter, and we've been travelling full-time in Walter for the last 3.5 years. The beach!
The beach! This is one of the nicest things about Oregon, down the coast there, the west coast, is it's just beach after beach after beach.
Yeah, it's really accessible. We just came down off the hill and we're now at Oceanside and we're going to walk to Tunnel Beach.
Yeah.
And it's called Tunnel Beach because
there's a tunnel! But equally, when we pulled up, it looked like Cornwall to us as a state or actually a county called Cornwall. And look at all that there. Now you get that sort of in.
There's
water.
It's
a bit, but that's like Cornwall on a hill, isn't it?
Yeah. Hey. We love the beach. I can see the tunnel.
Oh, there's a tunnel down there.
You see it?
Oh my goodness. Are you allowed in?
Yeah. Well, we'll try.
Is it free?
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Not bad. Not bad for late September.
I love it. So this is the tunnel.
Caution falling rocks. Okay.
Look at the cliffside. And there's a house right over there. Look, I don't think we've got that one.
No, I'd rather have
That's
water.
quite close, isn't it?
Yeah, I wouldn't even put water there.
How lovely.
You might have to put your torch on.
Sure. Woo!
Oh my goodness. What if the tide comes in?
We get stuck. Oh,
Oh,
it's freezing.
it's a wind tunnel. Oh,
I'm running. Do there's any rats in here?
no rats. No.
Sure.
Well, you're in front. Don't be crazy. Get crazy, kid.
I don't like it.
You scared me.
How do I put my torch on?
You don't need a torch. There's light at the end of the tunnel. I keep telling you, don't get down. There's light at the end of the tunnel.
I just don't want there to be any rats. Whoa!
Whoa, a new beach. Whoa. What do you think of this beach?
I love it!
Yeah.
It's weird because there's sand the other side of that mountain,
Yeah.
the tunnel that we came through, but this is all rocks,
Yeah, it's
so there's no sand on this side. Let's go in the tunnel!
okay, we're going back in. We're going back through. I'll see you on the other side. Let's go for a little walk down the beach.
Yes!
Oh, I need that sunshine after coming through that tunnel.
It's colder on that other beach.
It was cooler.
This is nicer.
This is much nicer.
Sand under my feet!
Yay! Let's go walk. See how far we can walk down this side. There's our little park up tonight. It's a one-way road. There's Walter. And we'll be okay here. Well, I must say we've had worse places. We've had worse places to cook a bit of an evening meal.
And we can see whales from the window, look! Just breached. No, I think it was just another one! Just a tail. Whoa!
Brilliant. Love it.
What a spot!
Yeah.
What a view! Okay, I need to cook.
So we parked little Walter just there.
Wow, this place is insane!
We're going to walk down to, can we see the, from up here? This is a good one. Watch this big one, right? You've got to wait a few seconds. You okay? That's that there. That is recording, and they won't be able to hear us. But
That's alright.
That's alright.
It's a wet day.
It's going to fill up. There is a. You see that in there? Yeah. And that's going to be 4K.
That's amazing!
I'm going to get sucked away. Watch. Yeah, that's good. Don't get sucked into that hole. You know, that is quite scary. Yeah, that is quite scary, don't you think? Yeah. If it took you that way, you'd be fucked. And the tide's coming in now. There's a good chance we could get. There's a good chance we could get very wet here. Watch. Yeah.
Yay, sunshine. I love that Thor's Well and Perpetua Cove.
I was worried you were going to fall in that well, by the way. I always get worried when you get too close.
Oh, look at this. This is lovely. This Oregon coast is just amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, apparently it goes for over 300 miles. 300 miles this coastline is.
Yeah, and it's just like one long public beach.
Yeah.
And you can just stop at all these little coves like we did along it back there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this, Martin. Look.
Yes, I can't look, I'm driving.
Don't go over the edge.
What's this rush I'm feeling? Don't know what it means. It must be the sound of the highway. It must be the roar of the sea. Through the sky and the sea, feel it calling me. It's calling me. To the sky and the sea, it's calling me. It's calling me. Through the sky and the sea, feel it calling me. It's calling me. To the sky and the sea, it's calling me. It's calling me.
God, the weather's changed today, hasn't it? It's really gloomy. And maybe that's because we've come away from the coast.
Well, we had to turn east though, didn't we?
Yeah, because we're heading towards Crater Lake National Park. Another national park. I need to count out how many.
Yeah.
But we're seeing the autumn colours now, which are quite nice.
But we're heading to Roseburg, aren't we?
Yeah, we need the supermarket. So, yeah, need some groceries, and then hopefully the weather will change again for the better and we can get to Crater Lake. But we've got a couple of stops on the way. Let's get to the supermarket first, Martin.
Okey-doke.
And this is the Umpqua River. Umpqua, I think that's right.
Yeah.
And we're going to follow that all the way along now into Roseburg. It's lovely. Look at the clouds though.
Come on, lover.
Let's go and find out what Winco's got for us. We're going to stop along here, Martin, at the Toketee Falls. Just go a little short hike.
Okay.
But there's a really interesting wooden pipeline that's sprung a whole load of leaks.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's supposed to look cool.
Okay. Somebody sprung a leak here.
Yeah, look, it's a massive pipeline.
We need some water now. Actually, no, hang on. Seriously, we could have a shower here.
Yeah.
Is all the windows closed?
It's supposed to, kids love it apparently, because you get lots of rainbows and everything. It's really cool.
That's incredible.
It's great, isn't it?
Anybody know a plumber? Huh?
We've got a good wash coming along there, don't we?
We did. Look at Walter. Walter's really wet.
He's soaking wet.
You have to walk.
You gotta run. It's just water.
What I did.
You see the rainbows?
Yeah. just a really short trail.
It's what, sorry? Say
It's
again?
a really short trail.
Oh, okay.
The Chinook word, Toketee, means pretty.
Pretty, so it's a pretty falls.
It's a pretty falls, and it describes the waterfall of grace. We're here. It's less than half a mile, and this is a 12-foot redwood stave flow pipeline.
Completed in December of 1949?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We certainly hear them, can't we?
Yeah. Then there's a viewing platform along here.
Okay.
It's a shame the sun's not on it, but it's really pretty. How it drops and drops again.
Yeah, can you see that? It comes out of there, doesn't it?
So the Umpqua River, it drops 40 feet to the first bit and then 80 feet to the bottom, it said.
Wow. Right, it's lovely, isn't it, with that ledge? That ledge
Really,
comes out.
I know, like the first bit and then the second bit drop right down. It's a shame we can't get down to it, because we walk behind waterfalls, right?
We actually walk up waterfalls. We actually go for a swim. No, we don't. But you're about Great Wells, aren't you?
Grey Wells, yeah.
Grey Wells, yeah.
We walk behind the waterfall, but this is nice. It's a nice one. Pretty, it's pretty.
It is very pretty. That's its name.
Yeah.
It was a nice night last night, wasn't it? It was really quiet.
Yeah, I slept okay, yeah.
Nice little park up just off the road. Those lorries did go past about 7:30. They started coming through, but
Yeah,
it was all right.
I heard them a little bit, yeah.
But during the night, it was definitely quiet. It was
Yeah.
lovely.
Okay. But we are going to move
Yeah.
because we're heading to Crater Lake National Park.
Oh, we've read about that, and it's actually from where we are. By the way, it's 6,000 feet.
And what are we at the moment?
I think we're about 1,000. So
And it's only 50 miles away.
so we are going to climb up 5,000 feet on the way up there, but we.
I mean, it's meant to be great. It's the deepest lake in America, Crater Lake, and you can drive right round the whole rim of it. So
Yeah.
I think that's what we'll do. We probably won't stay there long because it's going to be cold.
Sadly, we need diesel first, though.
Okay, all right.
So we've got to go get some diesel now, and then we can hit the road. Is that okay?
Should have got it when we were at Winco, maybe.
Nice little stop this. So get some gas. Oh, they got a Sasquatch. Nice.
It's a lovely drive, Martin.
Oh, it's been really beautiful.
It's really nice. All the colours are starting to change, aren't
Yeah, they really are. And I love these drives when we follow rivers because it's never much of an incline and a down. It's normally quite level-ish. You might be going uphill slightly, but it's just meandering where the river flows.
And what did the lady at the fuel station just tell you?
Well, she just said, "Oh, where are you heading?" I said, "Oh, we're going to Crater Lake." "Oh, Crater Lake, it's beautiful up there." She said, "But you want to be careful." She said, "There's a few Sasquatch sightings and UFOs, a lot of UFOs, and people have gone missing up there." And I was waiting for her to smile and go, "Ha, gotcha," but she didn't, and she said, "Just stay together." I went, "Oh, okay, thanks. Yeah, we will."
Good advice. Good advice. Stay together.
She was
We'll
lovely.
take that advice.
Yeah. Sasquatch, UFOs, and people go missing.
Woo.
Well, we're going to leave it there for this week, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate you coming along on this journey of ours. We enjoy the interaction as well. The comments are really good that we get. And a thumbs up would be fantastic. That helps our little channel grow. And why don't you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and come on and follow our next few adventures. Next week, we're going to Crater Lake, and we are planning on going for a swim. So make sure you don't miss that. Okay, bye for now.